Hello, this is Glenn Springfield bringing you another success hack for you and your business. And today I'm going to talk about the yellow pencil syndrome. And here right in front of me I have a big old bowl of yellow pencils to remind me of how important this is. Now, what is the yellow pencil principle? It goes something like this. If you needed a pencil and you had to write something and I said, here, pick a pencil. Well, which pencil would you choose? They're all the same. They're all number 2 pencils. They all made in the same place. It's just a big bowl of pencils. And so you wouldn't really care which one you used because to you, they're just all the same. Well, to a lot of people, your business is just like every other business that's like yours. Like, for instance, I'm in the janitorial business. So your janitorial service is really no different than any other janitorial service. You clean toilets, you dust desks, you clean floors. It's all the same. So if your business is just like every other business, then why would somebody choose you? Well, it gets down to a matter of price. And so if your business is a yellow pencil business, the only way that you're going to get customers is through personality and price. And most businesses don't really care about your personality, so it gets down to price. Well, the lowest price person, what do you think the quality of their service is? Are they going to have the highest quality and the most satisfied clients and get the highest number of referrals if they're the lowest price? Well, of course not. They don't have the money to do things right. And so you don't want to be a yellow pencil. What we have to do as business owners is we have to come up with our own unique selling proposition. What makes us unique? What would make a potential client choose us above all the other options? So that's called a unique selling proposition. It's a USP. An example would be back when Domino's Pizza first started. Long story about how they became successful, but the fact is they weren't successful at first. They were going broke at first. It was just a little shop outside of a college, and the owners were sleeping inside the pizza shop, and they were broke. They were not a successful business, but they came up with a unique selling proposition. The unique selling proposition was fresh pizza delivered to your door in 30 minutes or less, or it's free. So they never said that they had great pizza, the best tasting pizza, or secret sauce, or any other advantageous. Their unique selling proposition was delivered to your door in 30 minutes or less, or it's free. Well, that worked really well near a college campus. College kids weren't really that interested in super high quality. They just wanted speed, fast. If they got the munchies, they wanted to get the pizza. And so once they hit that unique selling proposition and began to advertise that unique selling proposition, the business just totally blew up. And it became the number 1 pizza seller in the nation. It overtook Pizza Hut. So a unique selling proposition has power. So we have to figure out, as business owners, business managers, we have to figure out what makes our product, our process, what is different about us that will make us unique. Now, another example of this is Schlitz beer. Way back in the 1920s or 30s, they started advertising that their beer was made from water drawn from artesian springs. And they had a story about how great their beer was because it was made from water from artesian wells. So that was what they advertised. Now, the interesting thing is that all beer at the time was made from water drawn from artesian wells. So that wasn't unique, but it was unknown, and so they claimed it as their unique selling proposition. And so it brought in business. So what we need to focus on as business people is this right here. Is our business a yellow pencil? If I say pick a pencil, which one are you going to pick? They all look the same, right? Well, hidden in here, is there anything that's different? Is there something, one that's different? If I could find one that's different, I would care. But if they're all identical, they all do the same thing the same way, what does it matter? Then, if this one's 10 cents, and this one's 5 cents, and this one's 2 cents, well, which one do you think I'm going to pick? I'm going to pick the 2-cent ones. That's why we shop on Amazon. That's why we compare, right? So, we need a unique selling proposition. We need to be able to explain why our services, why our products are special, and why they have more value, and so that we can separate ourselves from our competitors so that we're not viewed on price alone. Right? So, what is your unique selling proposition? What makes you stand out from the rest? What will keep you from being viewed as just another yellow pencil? So that's the tip for today. Now, I took me a long time to figure this out, but you can figure it out. You just got to look at it from your customer's point of view. You've got to think like your customer's thinking. What value can you deliver? What unique process that brings value to the customer can you claim as unique that will separate you from all the other yellow pencil businesses in your industry? So that's all for today. Talk to you guys later.